Hi, welcome my friend. AstroAI air compressor tire inflator. Portable air pump for car tires. 12 volt DC auto tire pump with digital pressure gauge. 100 psi with emergency LED light for car, bicycle, balloons and other inflatables. Stronger power and faster inflation. This air compressor can pump up your car tires with 35 liters per minute, larger airflow, enabling you to inflate 195/55/R15 car tire from 0 to 26 psi in approximately 2 minutes or less. And at a standard mid-size car tire from 0 to 36 psi in only 4 to 6 minutes. Ways to attach to the air nozzle. You can choose the quick connector or the screw rotation to attach to the tire nozzle in different situations for your convenience. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.